In primetime news this evening, homes not safe. Alarming reports of child abuse at children's home during COVID-19 restrictions.
Also this evening, COVID count climbing. More seniors test positive at Golden Age Home Cluster.
And nabbed. Man held with meters of fiber optic cables facing multiple charges. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and also online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day: sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your views on children going to school for diagnostic testing?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.